you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Clucks of Joy box for August. Do you want to know what's inside and what my chickens are going to be eating on? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So the August box just arrived. They did send me this for review. So thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys did see last box, it was the first box me bringing that one to my channel, and I absolutely loved it. I thought that was the perfect box for spoiling your chickens, and my girls loved one of the items. Well, they loved everything, but one in particular they went crazy over, so much that I went and actually purchased it again from their shop. It was the Rainbow Burst. I actually went and bought an 8-pound bag. It was $52.99 for the 8-pound bag. I went and purchased that for them. They love it. And then the first box, it had a lavender scented feather shampoo. So I went to their shop and I purchased the feather shampoo. I think it was a peppermint. They had a different scent because I don't do lavender. And that was $15.95. I bought that for the girls. And then I even bought Vienna, my dog, a dog shampoo. That one was $12.99. And her fur was so soft and she smelled good. It was just so soft, like even days and days later. And I never really get that much softness with any other one that I've had. So I definitely wanted to let you guys know I really like their dog shampoo for sure. I haven't given my girls a bath just yet, but you can purchase individual items from their shop as well. You can definitely use my code Crafty to save 10% off your first purchase. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in this month's box. This month I'm so excited because Rena from Boxes and Deals is going to be reviewing this too. So I will put her video down below if you would like to pop over and check hers out. You can see what she got in her box. You can see how her chickens are loving them. I am so excited to see her chicken videos. Her girls are a little older than mine. They're already laying eggs. She's lucky. Mine are not there yet. They're a little far behind. But you can definitely go and follow the link down below to her video. Again, you can see what she thinks of this box and what her chickens think of the box, which is so neat. I definitely am going to be checking out her video because I love seeing her chickens. They're just so cute. So again, like I said, I will link everything down below. You can check out the company and then you can go check out Rena's video. You can give her a follow while you're there if you would like. Let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to... Did I cut them all? Nope. Again, I'm so excited because there was so many nice items inside last month's box. Ooh. And so this is what it looks like when you first open it up. You have the paper that goes over all of the stuff, and look at all of that. See, when you need treats or you want treats or you're going to expect to have treats in a box, this one delivers 110%. Look at all of that. Oh, they had something similar to this in the last box. It said like summertime or something like that. And you mix this. This is going to be like the same type of concept, right? Mix entire contents of bag with 2 cups of hot water until a mash forms. You can feed it to them immediately warm or you can freeze it. The last one was designed to be frozen because it's, you know, summertime and it was so hot. And I put them in little molds and I froze them and my girls loved this stuff. So I'm so glad to see something similar to that in this box because it's still over 100 degrees here. So I'm going to go ahead and make it as far as freezing it to do that same thing because they loved it. Plus it'll help cool them off in this heat. And then once we start getting cooler weather, maybe in like February or March, if we get something like this, I will do the hot way. But right now I don't want to give them anything hot. But again, this is a big old bag of it. It says floral and hearty. This treat combines healthy herbs and a ton of protein to help your chicken stay healthy through the fall. But you see how big these are? That's what I'm saying. You get nice big portions and everything in this box. I love it. So now you have this big thing here. This is Sunflower Power, a non-GMO treat bursting with healthy omega fats. Encourage your chickens to forage with this fun treat featuring sunflower seeds and rose petals. Let's give them some flower power. Oh. Okay, you're very vocal. Okay, tell me about it. Tell me all about it. Is that all you have to say? See, those two are so quiet. Here's my loudmouth Ginger. Okay, here, get off the table. Get your booty off. Here. Ooh. Now what do you have to say? Nothing. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Happy chickens? Yeah? Happy chickens. And even like the little rose petals and stuff like that, that is in that rainbow burst, and they literally just devour everything. I can put like a whole cup full on their little treat table, come back not even 30 minutes later, and there's not even one piece of corn, not one little seed, not one piece of anything left on their table. I'm like, damn, you girls hungry? Nope, they just love this stuff. Now we have is the Pest Be Gone. There's so many bugs at the end of summer. Add Pest Be Gone coop herbs to your flock's coop bedding to repel insects such as mosquitoes, flies, spiders, ants, and more. Pest Be Gone is all natural, environmentally friendly, and safe around kids and other pets. So this is exactly like that. I sprinkle it all inside because sometimes they'll even get ants that come in and they get on their poop or something. I'm like, what in the world? So I make sure that I put this in there, and I really haven't been seeing any problems since I've been using this, and I really like it. I'll put it around the coop, and I'll even put some like around inside the run even. So I really, really like that. Now we have is another treat, and it looks all nice and scrumptious with all of that stuff in there. This says Omega Burst. Full of healthy omega fats, chickens love all the ingredients in this treat. More omega fats means healthier eggs. And again, you can see all of that stuff in there. They're gonna love this. All right. Now there's still three more items in here. This says Good Night Treat Mix. Just shake the bag and watch them come running. There's that. Want to encourage your chickens to return to the coop at night? Share this treat at sundown and watch them come running. I'm definitely going to try this. My little girls, once I put them into the coop run area from being in like the box when they were small, it took me maybe a week of going in there and putting them in their coop and locking them in there at night for them to do it themselves. The first time I literally thought maybe they got out. I was like, where did they go? Oh my gosh. And then I'm like, wait, this is a predator proof. We did secure this. Are they in the house? And I looked and they were. I literally jumped for joy. They did it on their own. That lasted about a week. Now, like the last few months, I've been doing it myself every single night. I don't know what it is. They just reverted backwards, and now I have to literally go in there every single night and put them to sleep. So I'm going to try this. See if I can get them back on track again. But there's that. Them little shits. They have a mind of their own. They do what they want. This here says ACV Boost. Beneficial bacteria with herbs. I like that they did put it in this container or this bag, so if it did leak or anything, you were protected. So they did take that into consideration. And there's definitely some stuff floating around in there. Can you see? There we go. This right here says, add to your flock's water for extra beneficial vitamins, minerals, and probiotics. Use 1 capful per gallon of water and provide water as normal. You can use ACV Boost every single day. So you just use a capful into a 1 gallon, which it even says made with oregano and garlic. I was wondering about garlic, if I could give them garlic, which that has answered my question. I know the oregano, I'll go grab oregano, I'll grab thyme, I'll grab rosemary from my garden and give them, and they love it. So that's cool. 1 capful to their water, and their water that I have is a 2-gallon. So I can either put 2 caps to do a whole, or I can just fill it up half and do 1 just to do 1 gallon. So there's that. I will definitely add it to their water. And then the last thing is just a little treat for us. We do get some type of little treat just for us to enjoy. And this month is a caramel vanilla handcrafted biscotti. Is that how you say that word? For the humans, caramel vanilla handcrafted biscotti by Northwest Biscotti. Grab a coffee or tea, grab this, and hang out with your flock. That's definitely what I am going to do. Tomorrow morning when I make my coffee, I will nibble on this out in the coop with them. And I'm just so excited. See, and this is why I really love this box, because again, you get so many different things for as far as treats for the girls, stuff for coop, maintenance, that kind of thing. So it's all to help with the girls for that month, and sometimes even longer. If you don't have that many chickens, this stuff could last you even more than 30 days worth. So I really like all of the different variety and how big packages that they send. So that is everything for the August box. Again, going over a quick recap, you have the Floral and Hardy, you have the Sunflower Power, the Omega Burst, you have the Pest Be Gone, you have the Good Night, you have the Boost for their water, and a treat for you. So that is everything, again, that came in the August box, you guys. Again, I really am enjoying this box. And my girls are too. I do have my own code if you are interested in this box. Crafty10 will save you 10% off your first purchase. The Clucks of Joy box is $49.99. You will receive up to 7 different mystery Pampered Chicken Mama products sent to your home every month, filled with carefully curated items for chicken moms and their flock. Each box generally includes at least 1 to 2 items for overall health, 1 to 2 items for clean coops, and 2 to 3 non-GMO treat items. Each box includes 6 full-size goodies for your flock, 1 to 2 for you, 30 to 60 day supply of all natural healthy coop products on autopilot, exclusive access to all natural Pampered Chicken Mama products not available anywhere else, and they're all made in the USA. And again, you can purchase individual items on their website, and it's not just for chickens. You can shop for chickens, ducks, rabbits, dogs, and more on their shop. They also have the Treat of the Month Club, non-GMO chicken treats shipped monthly. You get 4 pounds for $26.99, or you can do 8 pounds for $49.99. The Treat of the Month Club is easy. Each month will ship you a different seasonal and yummy treat straight to your coop door. Each treat is made with dried insects such as black soldier fly grubs, mealworms, shrimp, and crickets. Non-GMO grains such as wheat, corn, green peas, lentils, oats, and more. Healthy organic herbs such as oregano, calendula, rose petals, and more. It's like happiness delivered to your coop door each month. Again, you can choose from the 4 pounds or the 8 pounds, and Crafty10 will get you that 10% off your first purchase. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video, you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What do you think of the items that they send? What do you think my girls think of this stuff? Oh my gosh, they love it. So again, that is everything. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.